work is that?
Once again, this is for the ISKA World Muay Thai title. 5 rounds, 2 minutes each. Reintroducing in the blue corner, all the way from Spain. Let me hear it for Daniel Garcia. And in the red corner, representing Legion's Muay Thai. Let me hear you for Timur. This is the final fight of the evening. Remove all your reserves and lay it all on the line. This is JackHammer UK.
Here we go. Muay Thai ISK World Title. Main event here at JackHammer UK.
Yeah, both boys looking ready.
Coach, first 2 rounds count. The first 2 rounds count. The first 2 rounds count. Yeah, the first 2 rounds are scored.
Round 1.
Both looking very calm.
Both fighters looking to land heavy kicks here. Start off round number 1. Engaging in nice knees. Go throw there after engaging in the clinch. Staying calm again, looking for those chopping leg kicks.
Yeah, both boys very calm here. Nice response there.
Garcia pushing forward here. Arda looking calm on the back foot though. Nice combination work there by the Legion's gym fighter.
Both
Nice chopping leg kick at the end.
Ardra's finishing with strong kicks.
Chopping leg kicks going down
strong
here.
Leg kicks from both boys there.
Oh.
Working well in the clinch. Arda scoring well. Three times now, these.
Round 2.
Here we go. Straight back to the heavy low kicks, followed by clinch. Trading knees in the clinch.
Yeah, both working in the clinch. Yeah, both boys working well in the clinch.
Nice work on the inside there from Arda Timur. Garcia back to his feet again.
Nice elbow there by Arda.
Oh, elbows are flying. Oh! Oh!
Arda looking at coming in.
That looked like a knockdown to me, but we're back up again.
Landed nice elbows there.
And
Some
that is time.
heavy elbows landed there by Arda Timur from Legion's gym. Garcia trying to push forward here.
Working well in that cleach again.
This is JackHammer UK. This is for the ISKA World Muay Thai title.
Back to the action again. Nice knee followed by an elbow there for Arda.
Oh, lovely head kick there. Daniel's looking a little bit disheartened
Nice
there.
teeth there from Garcia, followed with heavy shots from Arda. Garcia struggling to get up here.
Is the Spanish
Arda
lad going to
Timur
get
from
up?
Legion's ready. He's got it. The Legion Sims fighter is the new ISKA World Champion.
Make some noise! And your winner by TKO is in the red corner, your